Gadgets are, without doubt, making our entertainment, fun, and all daily tasks easier and quicker by the day. Fortunately, there are companies and designers who recognize this responsibility of sustainability toward our environment, while they create gadgets that not only serve their intended purpose, but also improve the quality of human life. In this age of rapid innovation, we have witnessed the emergence of some of the coolest environment-friendly gadgets that have the potential to revolutionize our relationship with technology. Here we have some of the coolest gadgets you must see. 𝗂𝗏𝗀. 𝗂𝗏𝗀 is an innovative kitchen composter that transforms kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost in just 48 hours. Its automatic process makes composting hassle-free, and the compost produced is odorless, hygienic, and safe for everyone, including children. This compost can be stored for up to 2 years. 𝗂𝗏𝗀 features sensors and remote control, enabling users to monitor and control the device's operation efficiently. It is safe, durable, and energy efficient, made from food-safe materials, and prevents landfills from filling up with garbage. By using 𝗂𝗏𝗀, you can reduce your carbon footprint, save money, and create high-quality compost that improves soil health and supports plant growth. The device also comes with an app called 𝗕𝘂𝗽𝗀 that connects users with the 𝗂𝗏𝗀 community. You can learn about gardening and composting tips and connect with like-minded people. 𝗫𝗍𝗍. 𝗫𝗍𝗍 is a video and photography system that turns your smartphone into professional-grade camera. Its advanced technology and smart body construction produce high-quality images and videos with built-in stabilization for steady and smooth shots. The device is compatible with most smartphones, and its dioptic adjustment and viewfinder eyepiece ensure that shots are always in focus. You can connect additional accessories like audio, lighting, lenses, DOF, tripod, and stabilizer, further enhancing shooting capabilities. 𝗫𝗍𝗍's universal smartphone adapter quickly locks phones of any size and shape in place using one hand. It can fit all iPhone models, Nokia, Motorola, Samsung, HTC, and Sony phones. With a GoPro adapter, users can easily capture action shots and footage using their GoPro camera. 𝗫𝗍𝗍 is an ideal tool for vloggers, content creators, and anyone who wants to take their smartphone photography and videography to the next level. 𝗣𝗏𝗲 Bathroom Mini. The 𝗣𝗏𝗲 Bathroom Mini is a stylish and practical litter box that caters to the needs of small dogs weighing under 10 pounds. It features vertical pee pads specially designed for small male dogs who lift their legs while urinating. The box comes with 50 adhesive pads, 2 rails, 6 clips, and 3 mats, all in the choice of 4 colors. It's easy to clean and made from high-quality, recyclable plastic that also is lightweight and durable. The 𝗣𝗏𝗲 Bathroom Mini is environmentally friendly, and the pee pads are scented to attract dogs, with baking soda to deodorize the box. The litter box has a rubber backing to keep the mat in place, which is made from soft and fast-absorbing microfiber terry cloth that's machine washable. It's been featured in numerous magazines, including Vogue and Fashion, and is an ideal potty solution for small breeds. The 𝗣𝗏𝗲 Bathroom Mini offers a convenient and hygienic option for pet owners looking for an efficient and durable potty option for their furry friends. 𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 lets you capture video 10 seconds back in time, so you never miss a moment. It records 20-second clips of -10 to +10 seconds, allowing for amazing video content creation, including world news. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 enables live video sharing on Facebook and YouTube. It features a wood-look multi-connector, USB Type-C connector, multi-function LED ring, and touch-enabled front. You can customize videos and share them easily with 𝗏𝗏𝗏's user-friendly app. It is not just a regular camera, it's also a dash cam that captures road trips and is perfect for outdoor activities like skiing. With a video processor, Umbrella A12, 16GB flash memory, Sony Exmor image sensor, and a 120-degree angle lens, this is a must-have gadget. It has a 7-hour battery life and takes 3 hours to charge. It has connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, making it must-have for anyone who wants to record and share their life experiences. 𝗫𝗏𝗏. Developed by AnyLock, 𝗫𝗏𝗏 features a one-step push lock mechanism with an auto-reverse latch, ergonomic design, and easy installation. It comes with 2 lock types, M1100K key type and M1100C coin type. It has an antibacterial surface. It is available in 2 backset sizes, 2 to 3/8 inch and 2 to 3/4 inch, and has won multiple awards for its innovative design, ease of use, and quality. It is a secure and user-friendly locking solution for interior doors. The lock can be installed on wood, metal, and glass doors. The lock is made from high-quality materials that are built to last. 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏 Planner. The 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏 Planner features weekly photo challenges, photography tips, cheat sheets, and a weekly planner to organize tasks and projects. The weekly photo challenges caters to all levels of photography enthusiasts, offering opportunities to improve skills and experiment with new techniques. The photography tips cover basic camera settings and advanced techniques like HDR and night photography. The cheat sheets provide quick and easy reference for essential photography concepts and techniques, while the weekly planner enables users to manage their schedules efficiently. It is an A5 sized, measuring 5.8 inches in length and 8.3 inches in width, with 198 pages containing 53 weekly photography challenges and 12 full-color cheat sheets. It includes a weekly photo challenge, habits and skills sections, moon phase calendar, monthly goals and wins, mind map, and vision board. It features rounded corners, an elastic band enclosure, and 2 place marker ribbons. It also includes a tear-proof fabric back pocket. It is made of high-quality recycled paper that is bleed-resistant. The planner has a soft faux leather cover that is vegan-friendly. It is lightweight, weighing 16 ounces approximately. 𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is the world's first smokeless home coffee roaster that offers great roasting customizations and elevated coffee experiences. With seamless UX integration, you can control your daily cup and personalize and monitor it with real-time roast control app. You can even scan the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 bag with RFID to make sure you're getting the best roast possible. It features a smoke suppression system that consists of 7 layers of filtration, making it possible to roast anywhere without smoke. The patent-pending Smart Roast Chamber has a variable batch size of 50 to 225 grams and offers preheating and discharge capabilities. With 5 roast possible presets, first, crack detection, rapid cooling, and unlimited back-to-back roasts, it offers a lot of flexibility. It also features 13+ active sensors with environment-agnostic technology, an empowering design UI, and built-in scale and display, making it easy to use. It also includes a chaff collector and auto-dispensing. With its elegant wood, aluminum, steel, and glass construction, it is sure to look great in any kitchen. It has been featured in Sprouge and Daily Coffee News, proving its quality and innovation. HoloFill. HoloFill Cardboard is a tabletop portable device that provides a stimulating 3D holographic experience using mobile-based 3D content. It is lightweight, portable, and interactive, with special optics and LED lighting. The device does not require any external power and can be used for mixed reality applications. It allows users to play 3D games, learn 3D design, and animate 3D photos using the HoloFill X app. The device is also capable of converting NFTs to 3D frames for use in the metaverse. You can play games with a Bluetooth controller, create educational demos, animate characters, and watch YouTube videos like in a theater. It is compatible with any phone and is wireless, with hardware weighing 400 grams and measuring 18 centimeters in length, 18 centimeters in width, and 11 centimeters in height. The device features a high-quality matte finish. It has micro USB rechargeable lights that last for 3 hours. Tiny Flash. Tiny Flash is a compact and portable flash designed for use with most analog or digital cameras. With a small and unobstructive size, it is easy to use and has smart power management to ensure long battery life. The flash features a USB-C rechargeable battery. It comes with guide number 12 with a focal length of 30mm and 35mm equivalent. The flash recycle rate is 4 seconds, and it can handle more than 100 bursts per charge. It is compatible with many camera hot shoes, iOS 5182006, and older cameras that have cold shoes by the PC Sync port. The flash is an exceptionally compact and portable choice for photographers, measuring 57.5mm in width, 44mm in diameter, and 26.5mm in height, or 30.5mm in height with the hot shoe, which is equivalent to 2.2 inches in width, 1.7 inches in diameter, and 1 inch in height, or 1.2 inches in height with the hot shoe. ProScenic Dust Zero S3. The ProScenic Dust Zero S3 is a powerful all-in-one smart vacuum with several convenient features. It includes an auto-empty station that stores all the dust from the vacuum, a rechargeable battery, and a UV lamp for sterilization. It has a large 3-liter dust bag and a 5-layer ultrafine filtration system for efficient cleaning. The vacuum has a powerful 450-watt motor that delivers suction of 30,000 pascal, making it capable of deep cleaning carpets and floors. The battery provides up to 60 minutes of continuous operation without recharging. The vacuum has a flexible telescopic pipe that can be adjusted to different lengths for greater flexibility during cleaning. Overall, it is a versatile and efficient cleaning solution for any household. 𝗬𝗂𝗑𝗫. 𝗬𝗂𝗑𝗫 is a microwave-safe, plastic-free, non-toxic, and BPA-free food cover that helps you to cook tastier food in your microwave while preventing splatters or burns. With its powerful magnets, the cover stays securely in place while cooking, preventing finger burns and making it easy to remove. It is collapsible, reusable, and dishwasher safe, ensuring that it is durable and convenient to use. The moisture lock feature of the cover ensures that your food stays moist while cooking. It is available in 2 colors, clear frost and blue topaz. It helps you tap into your microwave's full potential by delivering delicious, perfectly cooked food that is free from splatter and burns, and easy to clean up afterwards. 𝗏𝗏 Optical. The 𝗏𝗏 Optical is a multifunctional gadget designed to enhance your life in many ways. With its ability to convert light into art, this device can help you purify your desk and your mind. It is perfect for home decoration, meditation, and photography. It comes in 4 different designs, and each design works as a card holder and decoration for tiny spots. This amazing gadget is made from HK9L glass, which has a 92% transmittance and an 18mm angle tolerance. It has a 0.2 to 1mm beveling, and its surface quality ranges between 40 to 60. It is a natural tool for relieving anxiety, curbing stress, or even panic attacks, thanks to its chromotherapy feature. It is an instant photography filter. Every side of the gadget performs differently. The device comes in different shapes, including cube, pyramid, and house, and its dimensions are 22mm on each side. It comes with an elegant wood display platform. If you liked the video, check out this video, Incredible Fire Rescue Tools You Didn't Know Existed.